So we're just unboxing these. I'm not gonna install them today or even this month because the car is in storage, but here they are. They arrived. They're for the 911 C2, C4 and GT. Let's see here, GT3. They're called exhaust bypass. The quality of the welds on the interior is so-so. On the outside, it's much better. Quality is pretty good. You have the badge welded on. There's a metal, yeah, very thin, but nevertheless. And this is the other side. Again, welds are pretty good on the outside, but on this side way better on the inside than the other one. Finish is nice. How long they'll last, we're gonna find out. And let's see, this one here has got a little bit of might be able to polish that out, but we're gonna see. Tack. Let's see over here, yeah, well, we might be able to polish this out. We're gonna see. But for now, here they are. Next video, we're gonna do the installation and sound before and after.